Hi Kim, welcome to SnapMath. Thank you for sending in your question. So we're trying to put these points, 1, -2, 2, -2, and 3, -4 into a quadratic equation. So what we're going to set up, I'm going to use a standard form, a x squared plus b x plus c. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up 3 different equations with these a, b, and c. So it's going to be 1 squared, which is just 1, so it's a, well I'm going to do a little lower cases, plus b, so 1 times b, and then the last one is just going to be c because we're not plugging in this x term, all right? So we have a plus b plus c equals the y term, which is -2. This -2 goes right here, okay? We're going to do the same thing with this point now. It's going to be 2 squared times a, so 4a plus 2b plus c equals, we're putting in the same y term right here. So we're putting in the y to the second term. So now we're going to use 3, which is 9 squared a plus 3b plus c equals -4. All right? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve this system of equations. There's 3 of them. I'm going to get rid of c in each one. So I'm going to do 1 and 3. I'm multiplying 1 by -1 and adding it to 3. So I get 8a, so -a plus 9a is 8a, plus 2b equals, the c's cancel out, and then it's just 2. All right? And then I'm going to do the same thing, 1 and 2. So I'm multiplying the top one by -1, so it's 3a plus b equals 2. Oh, I'm sorry. It's not 2. It's 0. All right? So now what we need to do is eliminate b. So I'm going to multiply this bottom row by 2. What we get is -6, a, -2, b equals 0. So 2a plus 0b equals 2. So a equals 1. All right, I'm going to plug that back into this equation right here. If a equals 1, then we have 3 plus b equals 0. So b equals -3, and then I'm going to plug a and b back into the original one. A plus b plus c equals -2. So 1 plus -3 plus c equals -2. So this is -2. So c is going to equal -2 plus add 2 to both sides. C is going to equal 0. So we have our 3 answers, A, B, and C. So now what we need to do is we need to plug those back into this right here. And what we're going to get is y equals, we put our a where a is, so it's 1 x squared, plus our b is -3 x, plus our c, which is 0. So if we rewrite it, it's going to be x squared plus, I'm sorry, not plus, -3x. And that would be our answer. All right? Thank you for sending in your question, and I'll answer your other one in a different video.